Hey, thanks for joining Uncle Mike for another edition of Dow Directions, a technical analysis of the Dow. Well, you can see we flirted with the lows of yesterday and closed right at the low and peaked a little bit below. So we're going to have to see what happens here. We are possibly looking for lower lows here. Like I mentioned, we're drifting down. All the moving averages are pointing down and heading that way. We now have the T8 at 78.79, which is right at the 23.6 resistance level. We have our 20 period moving average at 79.60, so right under 8,000. And we have our 50 period exponential moving average at 82.31. So that's going to form some resistance above our head. Like I've said before, we need closes above the 50-day moving average, and that will at least signal to a lot of technicians that some sort of short-term bottom has been posted. Our 200-day moving average still coming down and floating downwards, and now it's a little bit below the 10,000, right at the 10,000 level. So watch out below. Hopefully we can gain some traction here and move forward. Let's just look at two tonight. We'll go to the Chande chart checkup because nothing else really has changed from yesterday. The price bias is downward. The projected upper bound for the Chande chart checkup is 79.32, and the projected lower bound is 69.53. So watch at the lower bound. That will be an extreme uh, down below us. Now let's look at the Rex Takasugi profile. Dow closed down about 84 points today, and the Bollinger Bands are now, they're getting closer. They're getting more close to being normal. It's 38% narrower than normal. Short-term technical analysis still is oversold, but the intermediate term and long-term outlook is bearish. The Dow 200 period moving average is 26.9% below the 200 period moving average and still, of course, in the downtrend. Volatility today was considered average, and that's based on the past 10 periods. The in and out flow out of the Dow ran at relatively equal pace, and the trend forecasting oscillators are currently bearish, and they've had this outlook now for 23 periods. So that's where we stand. We'll take a recap on Friday, and this weekend I'll take a look at some longer term charts. So make sure you watch for the update through this weekend. Thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you tomorrow.